Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If sec theta equal to a by b and theta is less than 90 degree but greater than 0 degree, then we have to find the value of tan theta. So let's look at it. This is the diagram. Let's see, this is right angle triangle ABC, right angled at B. Let this be theta. So according to the diagram, sec theta is equal to opposite hypotenuse divided by adjacent, and in this case it will be AC divided by BC. So we can say that AC is AX and BC is BX. So using Pythagoras theorem in this diagram, we can say AB square equal to AC square minus BC square. So that will be a square x square minus b square x square. So we get AB equal to under root of a square minus b square x units. Therefore tan theta is opposite upon adjacent. In this diagram it will be AB upon BC. We got measure of AB as under root of a square minus b square x, so that will be under root of a square minus b square x divided by bx. So x will cancel out and our answer is a square minus b square divided by b. So this is the answer.